Hello and welcome to CGI Tips and Tricks video series. My name is Emantas and in today's video I want to show Adobe Sampler, formerly known as Alchemist, Substance Alchemist. So it's really common situation in any industry whenever you're creating some 3D stuff. Whenever you have simple image, photo or just simple texture and you want to get something really nice. Now, for instance, you have like cloth image or photo and you want to use in your render. And you're doing that in your rendering software like, I know, 3ds Max, Unity, Unreal Engine, just name it. And you're getting really low quality result. Because you don't have any channels, there is no normal map, there is no bump map, roughness map. So basically you have just a one channel diffuse and this one still not the best. So in today's video, by using Adobe Substance Sampler, I want to show you how you can use any image and convert this one to really nice texture. Okay, so first of all we need to get any photo, for example. So I'm going to Google and we'll use simple image or photo, for example, cloth texture. In today's example, we will use simple cloth images, and we have like different photos of textures. Okay, so we can use, for example, this one. We can use this one. We can use even this one. So just random image or photo. So I will use this one. Let me download this one. Okay, and now we are ready to convert this one to the texture, proper texture. So you can see now Substance Sampler, the user interface now is a little bit different comparing with the last version of Alchemist, but it's only minor changes in user interface. Even now it's really better one. Now in order to use this photo, you just need to drag this one in the right side in your layers. So I'm dropping this one over here like this. And now pop-ups menu asks me if I want to use AI powered image to material layer. So yes, definitely. So you don't even need to change anything. But if you will, you can see that you can use multi-angle to material. So it means if you have photo your object from different angles, you can even combine to one texture. This one is really good. More for advanced users, but still really good. So this one is really good. So press OK to load your photo. Okay, now we have this texture over here. So we see that the details now is really too intense and have all these styles. So we want to rid of all these details. So now I can reduce. You can see in my image to material, in geometry details, we do have details in different levels. So macro details, medium and large. So basically want to reduce all the details. So this one is responsible for the how strong the normal map we want. And you can see that the tiling is really intense. If you're going down here in the menu, we have enable shadows and we have in the left side we have tiling. So instead of 10 on 10, I will add 5 on 5. Okay, something like this. I can already see the details. Maybe I will increase a little macro details. I believe reduce and increase this one. Okay, I can see the details already. The tiling is still really visible. So this is why we do need to add additional layer. So add the layer and we want to make it tile. So make it tile. Okay, now make a tile is active. Now we can play with the threshold and the smoothness and the contrast. So basically now we can play about the tiling. Okay, we don't want to go crazy with this one. Okay. Okay, it's really getting better. We can even turn it off to see what's happening. Okay. Okay, so now let me increase a little this one, reduce my smoothness. Okay, so now I have really nice cloth, and now this texture is stylable already. How cool is that? Now we can even change the color, not like simple color, but even the color variations by using the color variation layer. So now color variation, this one, allows us to change, for example, to any color we want. So for example, red and dark red. Okay, so now I have another really nice thing. So we don't need these colors anymore. Nice. Now we have all the details. We have variations. You can even choose if you want to change it manually or automatically. So I believe, to make it really simple, I believe everything by auto. Okay, nice. And on top of that, you can even add stitches. How cool is that? So I'm adding the layer, and now I will use stitch layer, and now I can add additional details. So I will use, for example, line, reduce the amount. So keep in mind that this amount is 1 per tile, so we can see more of these stitches because of styling. Now you can see in the right side, whenever we're using 2D view, we can see only one stitch. Okay, we can even change the color of that stitch. Is it top stitch? Is it so the seam? See, you can even see that we don't need the seam, just the stitch. Okay, and I can go down and I can even change the color. So for example, I will use purple color for that. So now I have these stitches. And here you go. How cool is that? So now I have really nice ready to export texture to any software. So the thing is that you can export this one to your real-time engine like Unreal, Unity, CryEngine, or your V-Ray, Scene, Lumion, just name it. Okay, so stay tuned. So this is so stay tuned, and we will show how we can export and use these textures in your different applications. Thank you for attention, and see you the next time. Bye.